Is there someone in your life who drains all your energy after just 5 minutes of conversation? In psychology, these people are called emotional vampires or toxic people. They literally suck the mental peace right out of you. The biggest problem is we can't always just cut toxic people out of our lives because they might be our relatives or office colleagues. So, instead of fighting them or trying to change them, you need to use psychological tricks to protect yourself. In today's video, we will learn 7 incredibly clever and psychological ways to deal with toxic people. First, you need to understand the psychology of a toxic person. They are not looking for solutions, they are looking for a reaction. When they make you angry or emotional, they feel a sense of psychological satisfaction or power. The moment you react, they win. Therefore, your main goal is not to change them, but to completely control your own reactions. Way number 1, the gray rock method. Just like a boring, plain gray rock on the street attracts zero attention, you need to become exactly that boring and uninteresting around toxic people. When they try to create drama, keep zero expression on your face. Look at them blankly. Give very short, emotionless answers like, okay, is that so? Or, all right. Do not share any personal information with them. If they try to provoke you, do not defend yourself or argue. Toxic people cannot survive without drama. When they see that they are getting zero reaction or emotional supply from you, they will be forced to shift their attention away from you and look for a new target. You will remain completely safe. Way number 2, the broken record technique. Toxic people never want to respect your boundaries. When you say no, they will guilt trip you, argue, and constantly pressure you. There is a psychological rule for this. Never jade. Justify, argue, defend, or explain. Do not explain the reasons behind your no, because the more you explain, the more loopholes they will find in your words to start a new argument. Instead, keep repeating the exact same sentence over and over like a broken record. Keep your voice calm but firm. For example, if someone is trying to force you to do their work, just say, "I cannot do this right now." If they say, "But you were free yesterday, what's the problem today?" Do not give a new reason, just repeat, "I cannot do this right now." After repeating the exact same thing 3 or 4 times, they will realize that you cannot be manipulated and they will give up. Now, we will learn how to catch a toxic person's lies or gaslighting and how to use the psychological trick of depersonalization. Way number 3, beat gaslighting. This is the most dangerous and damaging weapon used by toxic people. Gaslighting is a psychological manipulation where a toxic person forces you to doubt your own memory or reality. They might say something incredibly hurtful to you, but later claim, "I never said that, you are crazy," or "you take things too seriously." If you hear these things constantly, you will actually start believing that your memory is failing or that something is wrong with your head. The only way to survive gaslighting is to trust your own reality 100%. Never argue with a toxic person about what they actually said because they will never admit their mistake. Instead, say just one line in a very calm voice. "We may remember it differently, but I know exactly what happened." And if this is happening at your workplace or office, always keep written proof or documents. Have important conversations via email or text messages, because gaslighting completely fails against written proof. Way number 4, depersonalization, or emotionally detaching yourself. When toxic people insult you or say terrible things, stop taking those words personally. We usually think that if someone is saying bad things to us, there must be something wrong with us. But psychology says a toxic person's bad behavior does not define your character. Rather, it exposes their own internal frustration and toxicity. This is called projection. They want to find peace by dumping their own mental pain or inferiority complex onto others. So when they treat you badly, mentally imagine a thick, bulletproof glass wall between you and them. Whatever they say or scream on the other side of the glass is their problem. None of it can touch your mind or body. Instead of seeing their anger or insults as the behavior of an adult, try to view it as a little baby throwing a temper tantrum. When you realize how mentally immature they are, their words will lose all power over you. Never expect any approval or praise from a toxic person. You hold your own validation. If you can emotionally detach yourself, you will remain perfectly calm even in extreme tension. Your complete indifference is exactly what frustrates and weakens a toxic person the most, because they realize that the remote control to your emotions is not in their hands. This psychological detachment will protect your daily energy and mental health like magic. Now, we will learn how to smartly say no without making them angry, and how to protect yourself by shifting the focus of a toxic conversation. Do not miss these incredible tricks to shut down toxic people. Way number 5, the feedback loop, or redirecting the question. When toxic people start gossiping or bad-mouthing someone, they want you to join their game of negativity. If you stay silent, they get annoyed, and if you protest, they attack you. The smartest solution is to reflect their comment right back at them as a question. If someone says, "That person is completely useless," just calmly ask them, "Have you offered to help them directly with this?" Or ask, "How does this affect you personally?" These types of questions catch them off guard and they lose interest in gossiping. Then there are people who constantly dump the burden of negative news on you. In this case, smartly shift the subject. Do not react to their negativity. Start talking about a completely normal, unrelated topic, like the weather or what you had for lunch. When they realize they cannot trigger any negative emotions from you, they will naturally talk less around you. Way number 6, the no sandwich, or how to smartly say no. Toxic people are masters at crossing boundaries and making unfair demands. If you say a direct no, the situation often heats up, giving them a chance to label you as arrogant or bad. In the no sandwich method, you serve your no sandwiched between 2 positive layers. Start with a positive statement, like, "Your idea for this project is great. Thank you for thinking I am capable of doing this." Then insert your no in the middle. "However, I have a lot on my plate right now, so I cannot take this on." Finally, end with another positive statement. "I hope you find the right person for the job very soon." This way, they will realize that you declined respectfully, and they will find no room to blame you. Always maintain an emotional distance when dealing with toxic people. Even if they are physically close, do not let them enter deep into your mind. Always remember, protecting your mental peace is 100% your own responsibility. Create some unbreakable rules for yourself. For example, I will not listen to anyone's negativity after 10 p.m. You might have to be a little strict sometimes to protect your boundaries, and do not feel guilty about it. Now, we will learn the 7th and most clever way to deal with toxic people, which will give you peace for the rest of your life. This final trick can change your life completely. Stay tuned till the end. Way number 7, radical acceptance. The biggest psychological trick to dealing with toxic people is permanently stopping your useless attempts to change them. You have to accept that they will remain exactly as they are. Your love, logic, or tears will not change them. In psychology, this is called radical acceptance. Accepting this one truth will lift a massive weight off your mind. Never expect an apology or an admission of guilt from a toxic person. For your own mental peace, you have to create your own closure. Instead of wasting your valuable energy on them, focus on your own growth and the beautiful aspects of your life. Build a circle of people around you who respect and support you. Remember, you might not be able to control someone else's behavior, but how you react is entirely in your control. Do you have a toxic person in your life? How do you deal with them? Definitely let me know your experience in the comments. I will read every single story. BrainVas is always with you to explore such psychological secrets of the human mind and behavior. If this video helped protect your mental peace, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Share this video with that friend or relative who is suffering badly because of toxic people. If you decide today to stop giving toxic people a reaction and choose your peace, roar in the comment box by typing, "I choose peace." Learn to love yourself. Your mental peace is more valuable than anything else in the world. Set your boundaries and stand firm in your decisions. No matter what, never lose faith in yourself. Take care of yourself. Stay mentally well. Stay healthy and stay with BrainVas. See you in the next video. Thank you.